What if I told you that within seconds of eating a single boiled egg, a microscopic war begins inside your body? Billions of molecules break apart, rebuild, and travel through 75,000 miles of blood vessels. Some of these molecules will reach your brain in minutes. Others might save your life. But some could trigger a response you never expected. Let's follow one boiled egg on its complete journey through your body. The good, the powerful, and the truth you need to know. Here we go. You take a bite of a perfectly boiled egg. Your teeth break it into smaller pieces as saliva begins the first stage of digestion. Within seconds, you swallow, and that egg travels down your esophagus into your stomach. But look closer. This isn't just food. This single egg contains 6 grams of complete protein, 13 essential vitamins and minerals, and powerful compounds that will interact with nearly every organ in your body. Inside your stomach, the real work begins. Powerful hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes called pepsin attack the egg proteins, breaking them down into smaller peptides. The stomach churns and contracts, mixing everything into a thick liquid called chyme. This process takes about 30 to 45 minutes. During this time, the egg white proteins and the nutrient-rich yolk are separated into their basic building blocks, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, all preparing for the next critical stage. Now watch this. The partially digested egg enters your small intestine, where millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi absorb the nutrients. Amino acids pass through the intestinal wall directly into your bloodstream. Vitamin B12, selenium, iron, and phosphorus follow close behind. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, and E from the yolk, dissolve into bile and enter your lymphatic system. Every second, thousands of nutrient molecules cross from your gut into your blood. This is where the transformation truly begins. Within 20 to 30 minutes, these nutrients reach every corner of your body. Your bloodstream becomes a highway of healing. Muscles travel to repair, vitamins activate enzymes in your liver, minerals strengthen your bones, antioxidants like selenium hunt down dangerous free radicals that damage your cells. Your heart pumps this nutrient-rich blood 60 times per minute, delivering egg-powered fuel to 75 trillion cells. Your entire body is now working in harmony, rebuilding, repairing, and optimizing itself. But some organs get special benefits. Your brain receives something extraordinary: choline. This nutrient, abundant in egg yolks, is converted into acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory, focus, and learning. Studies show that just one egg provides 25% of your daily choline needs. Right now, your neurons are firing faster, your synapses are communicating better, and your cognitive function is enhanced. This is why eggs are called brain food. Meanwhile, your muscles are celebrating. The 9 essential amino acids from the egg, building blocks your body cannot make on its own, are now entering muscle cells. Inside, they trigger protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle tissue. The protein quality in eggs has a biological value of 100, meaning your body can use nearly all of it. Whether you're recovering from exercise or just maintaining your strength, this egg is rebuilding you from the inside out. Deep in your gut, something amazing is happening. The nutrients from this egg are feeding trillions of beneficial bacteria in your microbiome. These good bacteria use amino acids and vitamins to multiply and strengthen your intestinal barrier. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved mental health through the gut-brain connection. The egg you ate 15 minutes ago is now protecting you from the inside. Inside every cell in your body, tiny power plants called mitochondria are working harder. B vitamins from the egg, especially B2, B5, and B12, help convert nutrients into ATP, the energy currency of life. You feel more alert, more focused, more alive. This isn't caffeine or sugar. This is sustained cellular energy that powers everything you do. But we must talk about the other side. For some people, eggs don't digest easily. If your stomach produces less acid or fewer enzymes, that boiled egg can sit in your digestive tract longer than it should. This causes bloating, gas, and discomfort. The sulfur compounds in eggs can also create that characteristic smell during digestion. If you feel heavy or uncomfortable after eating eggs, your body might be telling you something important. For approximately 2% of children and some adults, eggs trigger a true immune response. Proteins in egg whites are recognized as invaders. Your immune system releases histamines, causing symptoms from mild skin rashes to serious breathing difficulties. If you've ever felt itchy, developed hives, or had swelling after eating eggs, this is an allergy and you should avoid eggs completely. Here's the truth about cholesterol. Yes, one egg contains about 185 milligrams of dietary cholesterol, mostly in the yolk. For decades, we were told this raises blood cholesterol. But modern research shows that for most people, dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. Your liver actually produces most of your cholesterol. However, if you have specific genetic conditions like familial hypercholesterolemia or existing heart disease, speak with your doctor about egg consumption. One final note. Raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin that binds to biotin, a B vitamin, and prevents its absorption. But here's the good news. Cooking the egg completely destroys avidin. Your boiled egg is perfectly safe. This is only a concern if you consume large amounts of raw egg whites regularly, which can lead to biotin deficiency over time. Cooking solves the problem entirely. So, what have we learned? One simple boiled egg is a powerhouse of nutrition that transforms your body at the cellular level, fueling your brain, building your muscles, energizing your cells, and supporting your gut. For most people, eggs are one of nature's most perfect foods. But listen to your body. If eggs cause discomfort or allergic reactions, respect those signals. Now it's your turn. Try this. Eat one boiled egg tomorrow morning and notice how you feel over the next few hours. Pay attention to your energy, your focus, your body. Knowledge is power, but action creates change. If this journey amazed you, share this video with someone who needs to see what's really happening inside their body. Subscribe for more deep dives into the science of food. And remember, every bite you take is a choice. Choose wisely.